And we are back on Queen Anne, but this time we are in a Princess Grills room. So we are in room 8104. So let's go and check it out. We are on Princess Anne, Cunard Princess Anne. This is our third time on the ship. We've done a inside, a balcony room, and now we are doing a Princess Grills. So let's go and check this room out. We are staying in 8104. So let's go and see. Right, so as we come through, you do see a definite difference between a balcony and a grills room. One, you can tell from the decor, the colours are different. So you've got this red colour here, see down here on the floor. Carpet's a lot different. Whoops, let me just show you. So carpet's a little bit different as well. You can see, I'll go into the main event soon, but you can see that it is a lot bigger. So let's start first of all, just in the hallway here. So in the hallway we have a lot of cupboard space. So we have these cupboards here, and we don't have these anti-theft coat hangers. We have real coat hangers, thank goodness. You've also got a mirror here, so if you're going out you can look your finest as you're going out, which is always good. Got a case in there too, but sort of you've got some rails down here, so if you've got more sort of shorter tops, or you've got so if you've got like shorter tops, or you've got trousers or something, you can hang them there. That railing will come out. You can see it's an adjustable railing as well. So that's one of the cupboards. This is the next one. Got a nice, oh no, I thought there was a cubby hole up here, but there's not. So just some more space here, and then in the last cupboard here, this is where the life jackets live. Takes up a fair bit of room there, and there we go. One thing I've noticed already, there's no drawer space in here at the moment, so let's see whether there's drawer space anywhere else in the cabin, because there is no drawer space whatsoever. Right, so as I spin around, we have got our bathroom here. Now, even being a grills room, I thought the bathroom might be a little bit different, but a little bit bigger. It's not. It's still quite, how do you call it? On the comfort side, if that makes sense. Very small. Look, you don't live in your bathroom, but I just thought it may have been something a little bit more for grills. So that is our bathroom. As you can see there, just go up, go. Got some towels down here. If you look down the bottom, whoops, sorry. If you do look down the bottom, there's some towels down there. There we go. Toilet there, nice. They use Penhaligons, which I love Penhaligons. Love it. So there's some Penhaligons. There's real glass. And they've got this mirror here, so there we go. Hey everyone. Yeah, it's a bit cold for the merch at the moment, so I've only got a t-shirt on, but it is cold at the moment. So right, let me just swing around, show you. There's some hooks on the back of the door, towels up here, which are great. And then as we have a look, you've got your shower. So glass door, most modern cruise ships now have a glass door. Nice big shower head, which is really nice. Shower is, yep, how do I describe it? It's nothing big, nothing amazing, but it works. I don't live in there either. Let me just check. Got a clothesline up here, which goes right across, which isn't too bad. Yeah, and as we can see, you've got shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner as well. Let's go into the main event and have a look at the bedroom. One of the things that we love about Cunard is the beds. They are amazing to sleep on. So yeah, I would just say that Cunard beds are just one of the most comfortable ones that we believe at sea. Nice sort of, as I said, this red tone here. I love the back of the bed here as well. Very stylish. I think these lights are really, really stylish as well. Very, very nice. There is some lovely sort of artwork here on the wall. Very, very nice. And let's go and have a bit of a more in-depth look at what's here. So you can see that there's a reading light here. There we go. Whoop, that is not a reading light. That's the reading light. That's just for this light here. You can see that there's some switches for the room there. You have got some an American port, a UK port, and USB-C. And then on this side you have some drawers. So this is the first lot of drawers that I've found. Yeah, not going to hold much. It's pretty much just a nightstand drawer, which is fine. As we swivel around, we can see that there is some robes. Now there's 3 of us staying in this room. What annoys me a lot of the time is when they give you 2 of everything when they know there's 3 people staying in here, because Josh is with us on this trip as well. TV's here. Let's do the swivel test. No, it's fixed. But there is not just one TV in this room, there's 2. So you'll see the other one is just around the corner. So you can see that there is a definite divide between the lounge and the bedroom on this in this cabin itself. So as we're going along, we can see that there's another nightstand here. Once again, you can see that there is a power socket for UK, US, USB-C, USB, plus some light switches, the phone, the remotes on there, and another set of drawers there. One really nice thing in the cabin here as well is that try and divide it up. So they've tried to divide it up with this kind of cabinet here. There's a little bit of tea and coffee, so there's tea and coffee facilities. A lot of UK cruise ships have tea and coffee facilities, but this has got a more of a pod system, which is really nice to have. Some really nice bits and pieces. We noticed that, we're like, it's really nice, but it's all bolted down. You can understand why. It was a bit rocky. Wouldn't be great. So then you've got some more switches over here. So this is an American switch, and you've got USB-C, which is great. There's some water. I don't believe it's free. I don't know. We have to have a bit of a look at that as well. In here is your mini fridge. Pretty much, I believe it's all minibar, and there is minibar prices there. So let me just scan them through so you can have a quick look. There we go. This cupboard has your safe in it, and there's like an ice bucket down underneath there, and I'm sure that you can get your cabin steward to give you that ice bucket. Let's just quickly have a look in the fridge. Yep, that's all sort of just your standardy mini bar fare. You got your cokes and beers, and there's like, I don't know, some wine, and yeah, just the normal stuff. Right, so let's close that for a moment. We're going to just turn around and have a look. So, yes, we have this desk here. They've got coffee cups and glasses up there, which I would have thought would have been on here more so, because that's where the coffee machine is. That's just, I don't know, a bit odd. I don't know. And then you've got a world atlas up there. There's some drawers here, but they're only just like drawers for the actual desk itself. Hairdryer lives in there. Let me just show you. Hairdryer lives in there. Right. There's some information. So they still do printed daily programs. You can also get it on the internet as well. Give you a postcard and some other bits and pieces, which is really nice touch as well. Going into the more lounge area, you have a sofa. That's going to be Josh's bed during the night, and I'm sure we can use it as a sofa during the day. We do also get I think it's a full bottle. Ooh, we get a full complimentary bottle of the Prosecco, which is nice. There is a couple of glasses, a couple of chocolates there, and yeah, very nice touch. Another light switch or light there. Some more art. Is that that looks like a Titanic? No, it's not. It's Queen Mary. I don't know. Anyway, Josh would probably call it the Titanic. Our second television is here, which is really nice. As I said, the swivel test doesn't swivel. It's fixed. It's fine. There's two, so you can either lie in bed or sit on the sofa and watch TV. And then there's all these cupboards down here. Now, I don't know if you use these cupboards to put all your clothes. I don't know, because there's nothing in the wardrobe. So it's kind of, I've got to just try and understand where we're going to put all our clothes if there's no drawers. So I feel like I missed the drawers or something, but there is, that's all there is. There's these cupboards. I assume that's where we put them. Right, last part is obviously going to be the balcony. As you say, it's just a standard. The door does not slide, it pushes out. So let me just quickly go out onto the balcony, where we're joined by Mr. Joshua. Hello, Josh. How are you? And we have Tristan. Hello, how do you find?
I'm not sure if this is just a princess thing, but this extra cushy thing is quite comfy in your back.
Oh, is it?
And it makes you kind of sit like a hunchback, though.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm supposed to like
Excellent.
arch it somehow.
What do you think?
It's nice.
Nice?
Cabin's
Yeah.
good size.
We have some visitors.
Oh.
So,
Hello.
let's go through, say hello to our visitors. We have some visitors
Oh, hello.
lurking in the hallway. It is, sorry. It is, oh, they bought my bag. Isn't that lovely of them? It's Mark and Lindsay
so
from
nice.
Sweet Natured. How are you guys?
Good.
Yes,
How are you?
coming to check out the digs?
We were just like cross-checking your things to our things.
Oh, right.
There's one good thing. Coming inside, at least I can take my jacket off. It's freaking freezing out outside.
Chilly out there.
So cool. So they've dialed up the heating to 11. You know?
Is that a Spinal Tap reference?
It is.
Oh my goodness. Right, so that's our room
Did you
tour.
quite like this? I love
Yes,
the
we
back,
did.
they're like stuck down though.
We did talk about that. We did talk about them. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, like, comment and share.